Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful thread work design on your kaftans. I know it looks like it's done with a different machine, but no, it's done with a normal machine. You can use your manual machine, you can use your industrial machine. All you need are up to 5 reelers and then your machine. So let's get into it. So these are my reelers, 5 reelers as you can see, and I've already reeled my thread around it. Okay, for the record, this reeler is also called bobbin. That's the official name, and then this is the thread I'm using. For better result, you should use this type of thread. This is the thread they use for phonics design. That's design on your agbada and your kaftans. But you can also use your normal thread. But for best result, use this type of thread. So you are going to reel all these 5 threads, all these 5 reelers. You are going to reel all of them into one. Right? You are going to join them together and reel them together at once. So as you can see, these are my 5 threads. These are my 5 strands of thread, and I'm going to just go ahead and reel it and roll it like this on my reeler. You can see the 5 of them. So let me just show you how I did it. You can see these are my 5 reelers. I stack them over each other so that I can have them together while I'm reeling. Then I'll reel them together. So that's it. Is easy. So I'm just going to pause this video and then reel it and come back together and show you. So you can see I've reeled all the threads together. You can see them, all the 5 of them. They are together while I'm reeling them. It's so easy, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this reeler into my shuttle. I'm going to put it into my shuttle, and the shuttle is also called bobbin case, while the reeler is called bobbin. Alright, so I'm going to put it into my bobbin case or shuttle like that. All the 5 threads, make sure they pass through, and there's a little screw on your bobbin. You are going to loosen it a little bit to reduce the tension of the thread. You should loosen it just enough for the thread to be passing freely, just enough for the 5 threads to be passing freely. Alright, so that's it. Then you just go ahead and put it under. So the next thing you will need is your soft cloth gum. You need a cloth gum which you are going to gum on the parts you are going to do on the surface you are going to do your design. In my case, I'm going to do my design on my pocket and on my placket or flap, and I've already gummed it already, as you can see. So this long one is where I'm going to do my placket, while this is where I'm going to do my pocket. And then you're going to draw on the white surface of the cloth gum, you're going to draw your design. So I'm going, in my own case, I'm just doing the design following the path of the thread, so it will look as if I use the thread to sew the pocket. All right, and then the same thing I'm doing for the flap as well. So just follow me. It is a very easy process. All right, so I've already drawn mine. You can also do yours. So I'll just go ahead now and we're going to start. All right, before we start, another thing you need is the thread that's going to be on top. You know, the 5 threads are going to be under, but the thread that's going to be on top has to match exactly with the fabric. All right, remember the 5 reelers, the one under has to be a different shade of the material you're using. For example, if you're using sky blue in my case, I'm now using the 5 threads under are slightly lighter than the main material, so that it will show contrast. So you can use one that is slightly lighter or slightly darker, so that it will just show contrast. But the one on top has to match exactly with the thread on top, with the fabric you are doing, I mean. So let me just start now with the pocket. So that's it. So you just put it and you take it very slowly. If not, the thread under is going to get tangled because there are 5 of them. If you rush it, it's going to get tangled, and that means you need to start, because you cannot start if the thread cuts. You cannot start and continue again like we normally do. You have to take one single straight line until you are done. You can see. So you can see how it is now. It's already coming out neat. It's very easy to do. So easy, guys. Just take your time and take it very, very slowly. So if I like, I'll just sew it one more time, and then if I want to do design in the middle of the pocket, I do. But I love simplicity, so I'm leaving it this way. So the next thing now is to do the same thing for the placket. So for the same thing for the placket, I just follow the line like I did with the pocket. I'll just rush through it. Mind you, in this video, I am fast forwarding the process. That's why it seems as if as I'm sewing it, you see I'm fastening it, so it looks as if I'm sewing it very fast. I'm actually sewing it very, very slow. All right. So when you're doing it, sew it very slow. Ignore the way I'm sewing it fast. It's because I'm fast forwarding the video. So the same thing I'll do. The same thing I'll do with the second line, the third line, and the fourth line. So like I said, I'm just going to go and fasten the video, fast forward the video so that we can finish very fast. So you turn it and do it again. You can see our design is already coming out. So you turn it and go again one more time in the second line, and of course I'll fast forward it. There you go. You turn it and do the last one. You can see our design already coming out well. It's that easy, guys. So for the last one now, we'll do the same thing, and of course I will fast forward it again. There you go. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you've not, and please give this video a thumbs up. You can see our design already coming out well. It's very, very easy to make. So that's it. The next thing we are going to do now is just to go to the table and create our cape, our flap. But before then, I would like to give you a very good news. I'm organizing a suit course of making suit. This is for the male suit and this is for the female making course, and then another course for making shirts. To enroll, just pause the video and go through it, and you can enroll, and you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'll leave my phone number in the description to enroll. So this is how you are going to fold it. You fold in such a way that you are going to leave a little space so that when you are sewing on your kaftan, you can sew just behind, a bit beside the our design. So you don't sew on it, you sew just beside it. So you make your cape. In one of my previous videos, I taught how I make my flaps. So you can just go and watch it to see how I make my flaps. It's very, very easy and straight to the point. And even when you are fixing it, it's actually easier than so many methods I've seen. So you might need to go and watch how I make and fix my flaps. I might not show it on this video completely, but I've done a video on it. So this is how to fold it. You can see. So I'll just remove the excess. Remove the excess. And then fold it like this. This is how I make my flap. So easy. So I'll just cut it off from here and we'll continue from there. Now the next thing is, now to do this design on your piped neck, of course you just make your piping the regular way. And in one of my previous videos, I taught how to pipe my neck. So you should go and watch that up. So after you've piped your neck the regular way, you're going to turn it upside down like this. And you do the same thing. And remember, take it slowly. And don't get fooled by how fast it's going. Of course, I'm fast forwarding the video, that's why it's looking fast. Do the same thing for the second line. Fast forward it. If you're doing yours, take it very, very slow so the thread in your bobbin case don't get tangled. So that's it. As you can see my design now on our piped neck. and the inside doesn't look different. The inside is just still looking the same way. So that's it, man. That's it, guys. So easy and looking professional. So this is my flap and this is my pocket. So I did the pocket, the second line, even though I didn't show it in this tutorial, but I just did the second line. So when you are sewing, you sew just beside your design. Make sure you don't sew on it. Use this thread on top and sew this beside it so it won't show. So it will look as if the big threads are the one that is holding it to the cloth, but no, it's the other thread on top. So if you like, you sew the sides. But this is also, thank you.